medical friend. I'm gonna set you again. Well, no, I got it with my hand, y'all. You gotta bear with me though. Ugh. Somebody took very good care of it. Definitely needed an oil change. Looks good though.
Old contact orders. I think it's from through their university, but still.
She sounds good. AC blows cold. Volume now it's a little weird. I don't know if it's me or
Those future memories
somebody
can be
smacked that
stolen
thing. I don't
from
know.
you. It's kind of hard to enjoy the simple moments when you're in pain. So here's the thought. Try Relief Factor. Relief Factor is a 100% drug-free daily supplement designed to help your body fight pain. It's a doctor
water in this.